Remember when we was in our 20s, we used to go clubbing and stuff like that. This is the only time we can dance now. When we're coming back from commercial break.
Sitting down and it's just this. It's all shoulders.
Soda pop. That or longs, you walk it all, going jab. Yeah. All right.
Pushing my wagon full of toilet paper and paper towels and paper plates.
That's kids, that's gonna be your life soon, okay? Now, we're actually joking. We're revved up and excited for our Spotlight Cruise today.
That's right. Wait. Before we show that, brother, we gotta mahalo the ohana at Aloha Kia and our viewers for sending us the amazing pics that you do at kitv.com/contest.
Okay, let's take a look at some of the pics that you sent in for March and the places that you suggested that we drive to. This is the first one, friendly visitor with the Konolo trip. My trips have decreased. Here's a highlight of my week, and that is from that wonderful person whoever sent. Oh, look at the Cardinal.
Oh, Cardinal is just like resting. Oh my gosh, fighting all this wind is hard. These Konolos.
And the McDonald's in the back. Yeah.
We could do that. We could do McDonald's.
Move, Cardinal, you in the way. Nah. I'm just kidding.
All right, up next, it's Wailua Falls. I do love this place. It's beautiful. Caption is just sweetly holo holo. And sometimes you just got to get in the car and go holo holo.
Oh, speaking of that, look at this Hololio cruising in Honoka'a, Hawaiʻi Island. That is so maika'i right there. We're in Honoka'a.
We didn't get a chance to, but we can. We can this next time around.
Okay.
It's a drive.
Yeah.
It's a drive
for
sure.
We've been spending at least we did 2 trips so far to Hawaii Island in preparation for Hilo Week, visiting with some friends over there on Hawaii Island. And we just cannot wait to share our experiences with you, but we got to wait till April 6th through the 10th.
Yes.
Hilo Week.
It's going to be so awesome, family. In fact, if you're going to be in Hilo, make sure to stop by because we're going to be at all of these great places in Hilo and having good fun.
Yeah, and we'll definitely give you the schedule on that. But for now, we're going to just kind of go on Huaka'i. We're doing Huaka'i, one little holo holo. Mahalo to our friends at Aloha Kia and Southwest Airlines. Take a look. Wow, it's so bright and early.
Do I have my face on? I don't have lashes.
You don't have lashes?
No. It's 3:30, brother.
I have my lashes and lipstick on. I'm camera ready already. Let's go. So we're actually heading to the airport. We are going to do some Hilo kind things in preparation for Hilo Week for us. Thank you to Southwest. So we'll kind of document the whole journey. Gotta check us in, yes, this. I hope I'm sitting next to you.
I don't know what to say about that.
What a day. We bought up.
I'm tired.
And we got to do this a few more times.
Yes.
In preparation for Hilo Week. But sis, I don't know about you, I had a really wonderful time spending quality time with you today.
Yeah. The people that we met today were so amazing. Wow. So, I'm just kidding. We had good fun. We got a chance to traverse the island. So we got a little bit of Hilo, we got a little bit of Kona, and we're going to be hitting some other places, Waikoloa, Waimea, and of course a little bit more Hilo.
Yes, right on. So we're going to be boarding the plane pretty soon. Mahalo Southwest.
Oh, amazing.
Taking care of our flights. Just absolutely wonderful. Woo-hoo. See you back in Honolulu. That was so much fun.
That was good fun. That was quick. You missed plenty.
I gotta tell you, yeah, we're gonna be filling in the blanks.
Yeah.
Hilo Week, and that Aloha Kia Carnival. Oh,
So much space, so spacious, so comfortable, so easy to drive.
I'm so jealous. She has one, and it matches you so well.
And I let you ride.
She does.
Yeah.
She does. It's awesome.
I let you ride. And then I wipe them down and disinfect when he gets out. No. I'm just joking. I'm being sassy. I'm sorry.
She's not joking. She's being serious.
No, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, it's time for a break. I get it on that. It's time for a break.